Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. It's been quite some time since I've unboxed any Bluetooth speakers, and well, today in this video I've got a new Bluetooth speaker to show y'all. It's a budget Bluetooth speaker that has 3 watts of output and is also water resistant. This Bluetooth speaker is made by boAt and the model is called boAt Stone 230. So in this video we're gonna unbox and check out this product. The boAt Stone 230 came in this sort of packaging. Let's tear the packaging and take the product out. I want to thank boAt for sending me this product for review, and by the way guys, we are very close to hitting 400k subscribers on my channel and my birthday is also coming up in this month. I just wish we could hit 400k before the end of January. That would really be awesome. So guys, do subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Alright, coming back to the topic, here's the boAt Stone 230. It came in this sort of funky box packing. You've got the boAt branding at the top. Let's see what else is written on the box. Okay, you've got some of its features. It's a portable and lightweight speaker, supports Bluetooth V4.2, has an SD card slot. It's also IPX5 rated, sweat and water resistant, has integrated controls, and offers up to 7 hours of music playtime. So those were some of its highlights. That's it guys, there's nothing much written on it except the boAt branding. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. So the outer cover slides out like this, and inside we've got another box with the boAt logo. Let's open it and check out the product. Here we go. On opening the box, we've got the speaker at the top. Let me take it out. Oh, it's actually quite lightweight. Weighs only around 245 grams. And here it is, boAt Stone 230. This speaker comes in 2 colors, midnight blue and charcoal black. I've got the midnight blue variant. We'll just come back to that again. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You get a USB cable for charging the speaker and some paperwork which includes a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them. So these are all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the speaker. So this is how the boAt Stone 230 looks like. It looks really nice and I like this blue and orange color combination. It's got a portable compact design and is also lightweight. The boAt Stone 230 has a 1.5-inch single driver at the top and can produce a max output of 3 watts. You've got the boAt branding on it and an orange string all around the body, so you can even hang it on something like a wall, your backpack or anything. The build quality of the product looks nice. The top part is made of high quality plastic and the remaining lower part is made of soft silicone rubberized material to give a good grip when you place it on any surface. And over here at the center you've got the control panel. There's a power on off, volume down, music play pause and volume up. And at the side you've got a rubber flap under which you've got a micro SD card slot, a reset button, a micro USB port for charging and a charging status LED indicator. These are all the available ports and controls on the speaker. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's just power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. To power on the speaker, you need to press this power button for about 2 to 3 seconds.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
There you go. It's got some funny voice prompts. Alright, let me just bring my phone, turn on Bluetooth on it and pair it with the speaker. And that's done.
You're now connected to boAt Stone 230.
Now let's play some music and check out the sound quality.
Maximum volume.
The audio quality was decent for the price. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocal quality was decent. Talking about the high frequency response, the treble quality was average. And coming to the bass was okay, but I felt it could have been a bit more punchier. On the overall, the audio quality was decent, but not the best I've seen for the price. The total harmonic distortion was less up to 70% volume level, but beyond that you can feel slight distortion in the audio. Talking about the output, the 1.5-inch driver was definitely producing 3 watts of output. It was loud and satisfying. The boAt Stone 230 also has a microphone on it and the mic quality was very good during call conversations. And also guys, did I tell you this speaker is waterproof? Yes, it's IPX5 rated, sweat and water resistant. So even if you expose it to light rains, nothing's gonna happen to it. Now let's talk about the battery. It's got a built-in 1200 mAh battery and on an average I was getting around 6 to 7 hours of playtime at 75% volume level and charging it from 0 to 100 took about 2.5 hours. So that was my review on the boAt Stone 230 budget Bluetooth speaker. It's a good portable speaker especially for travelers. The build quality is solid, the design is nice, very easy to carry, it's also water resistant and offers a really good battery life. The only thing I felt was the audio quality could have been slightly better with a bit more punchier bass. It costs around 12.99 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.